In a small dusty town surrounded by golden fields, there lived a young boy named Arif, who spent most of his days sitting on the roof of his little house, looking at airplanes flying high above the clouds. Every time he saw one, his heart whispered, "One day, I'll be up there too." His father was a farmer who worked hard from sunrise to sunset, and his mother made clay lamps to sell in the local market, but they barely earned enough for food and school fees. Still, Arif dreamed big. He wanted to become a pilot and touch the sky. At school, the other children often laughed at him, saying, "You? A pilot? You don't even have shoes without holes." But Arif never answered with anger. He simply smiled and said, "Dreams don't need shoes, they need wings." Every night, he studied under the streetlight when electricity went out, using an old book about airplanes that his teacher had given him. Years passed, and life tested him again and again. When his father fell ill, Arif left school for a year to work at a tea stall near the bus stand, saving every coin he could. Still, whenever he saw planes flying overhead, he promised himself he would never stop trying. One day, a kind old traveler stopped at the tea stall and saw Arif drawing airplane wings on a napkin. The man asked, "Why do you draw airplanes?" Arif replied softly, "Because I see my future in them." The man smiled. He was a retired pilot. Impressed by Arif's passion, he gave him his old aviation books and promised to guide him. That moment changed Arif's life. He studied harder than ever, applied for scholarships, and faced hundreds of rejections, but his belief never broke. "Maybe my journey is slow," he thought, "but even the smallest bird reaches the sky if it keeps flying." After many years of struggle, one evening, as the sun set behind the fields, Arif stood in a shining white pilot's uniform, ready to take his first flight. As the plane lifted off the runway, he looked down at his village, the same rooftops where he had once dreamed, and tears filled his eyes. He whispered, "Papa, Ma, I did it." His heart was full not because he reached the sky, but because he never gave up on his dream. The villagers who once laughed at him now gathered to watch the sky whenever a plane passed, saying proudly, "That's Arif's plane." His story became a message for every dreamer, that no matter where you come from, your wings are built not from money or luck, but from belief, patience, and effort. This beautiful motivational story is brought to you by Smart English Stories, where you can learn English through inspiring tales that touch the heart and teach life lessons. Keep listening, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself, because your dreams are waiting for you beyond the sky. Don't forget to subscribe to Smart English Stories and press the bell icon so you never miss another inspiring English story.